Assalamu alaikum. This is Masjid Haram, and this is Kaaba, and this is early in the morning after Fajr. We're doing tawaf, circling the Kaaba. So part of performing Umrah or Hajj is doing tawaf, circling the Kaaba. Now, so when you're circling the Kaaba, you need to have wudu, and then you need to circle it 7 times. So you start with Hajar al-Aswad, the black stone. As you can see, this light here, these lights, it's where the tawaf began. This green light, where the green light is, right here. Okay, and then when you start from the green light, you go to the black stone, Hajar al-Aswad. If it's possible to kiss it, you kiss it, or you touch it with your hand and you kiss your hand, if that was possible to you. If not, you can point to it. You can just point your palm to it, like I see people doing over here. See, people are raising their hand. Just carefully. You can point your hand to it and say Bismillah Allahu Akbar, or you say Allahu Akbar, and then you start circling the Kaaba. And you start from this point, you go around it, and you come back to this point. That's one tawaf. You do that up to 7 times. So this is called Rukn al-Yamani. This corner, they call it Rukn al-Yamani. And this corner here, that is where the black stone is. As you can see, many people are right there. Okay. As you can see, people are not able to touch it because of the crowd, but they're starting now the tawaf started. So when you do that until you get to 7 times, when you are from Rukn al-Yaman, this corner, you say Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. So the rest of the tawaf, you can say whatever dua you want. You can ask Allah for the goods of this dunya and akhirah. You can ask Allah for your parents, for yourself, for your kids, whatever dua you have. And it's okay to talk well when you're making tawaf, but you try to limit it. Use your time wisely, making dua and dhikr. You can read Quran, you can read dhikr. But people will bring sometimes specific books and duas. A lot of those things are not really authentic. You can make any dua you want, and for yourself and for others. And then when you finish doing tawaf, you go to pray 2 rakah behind Maqam Ibrahim, the steps of Ibrahim. That's this one. These are the footprints of Ibrahim alayhi salam when he was building the Kaaba. So when you finish, you pray you put this Maqam Ibrahim between you and Kaaba, and then you pray right here at the back of it 2 rakahs. The first rakah you read Qul Ya Ayyuhal Kafirin. The second rakah you read Qul Huwallah. And then you ask Allah, and then you go to drink the water, Zamzam water. You pour some of it on your head, and then when you drink it, you would make an intention to heal you or whatever purpose, whether for your health. And this is it. It's not that hard. Sometimes when you look at tawaf, it's sort of intimidating, but it's not that hard. It's very peaceful and it's beautiful. There's people here from around the world, everywhere, every country, in every region, and then everybody come here for worshiping Allah. They're not here for fighting. And that's why people don't fight over. We would step on each other, bump on each other, but nobody gets mad because you are in haram. So you're trying to gain awareness of Allah and have your sins wiped out. You don't want to fight. So this is Kaaba. So every Muslim, you should try to visit here, especially if you have money and time and resources. And don't wait. You will never regret. It's beautiful. You see, people People are fighting over this is called Multazam. There's this place people go there and make dua, and there's over here. This is it, and let me know if this video was interesting and if you have learned anything from it. So there is more to tawaf before, but just like this is to summarize once you get in, as simple as I can.